we have a number of technologies that help bring the attention to the right points of the video at the right time, right? So for example, one of our features that has actually won technology prizes here in Europe is called AutoCam. And as its name indicates, it is a auto tracking software, okay? So up until recently, you needed either an RFID chip on yourself so that the camera would detect you, or the camera would move behind you in order to simulate that cameraman effect in a room, right? So our system takes the complete widescreen shot and makes a digital crop of the image that simulates a cameraman in your room. So like this. The fact that the frame is moving along with the person, with the facilitator, with the teacher, gives us a sense of mobility, and the eye gets less tired of watching a still frame, and it keeps our brain working at a higher pace. So the fact that the frame in the right hand side is moving along with the professor not only gives us a closer look to what's on the screen, but it also keeps our brain engaged.